Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. And yes, in today's video, I'm going to, I think you can hear the bird sound at the background. Anyways, so in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make a very cute diary. You'll get to know soon. You just watch it and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So without wasting time, let's begin. Firstly, I looked for panda picture on Google and I downloaded this and I took a printout of two of it, inverting it opposite side so that it will be easy to stick. And this is how I stuck it. I stuck only the sides at the first, not the center part. And then once it is done, I inserted cotton inside the paper so it looks stuffed. So yeah, and once this is done, I sealed the last part left as well, that is the bottom part, so I stuck it as well. Then I took a diary, pocket diary which I had, and I used these feathers which I had bought long back to make, I think, dream catcher. Yeah, so yes, so I took those feathers and I went on sticking one by one on the cover page of the diary, pocket diary. So yes, you'll watch it. So once I'm done with sticking, I cut out the extras from the side so that it doesn't look much shabby. Finally, I took the panda that I had made and I stuck it at the center of the cover page over the feathers. So here you go, our feather diary is ready with our cute panda. Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.